bet you thought I was done sizzling that meat. But guess what? I don't fucking judge you for being from the sea or being from the land. You're gonna fucking sizzle! What? I said fucking sizzle! That's not a fucking sizzle. Fuck! Well, either way, bitch, we got your temperature going. You're gonna fucking sizzle when I tell you. Fuck you. Oh, motherfucker. I guess the fucking fish of the sea don't fucking sizzle as much as the fucking cows. There we go. Yeah, bitch. You do what I tell you. You get out of that fucking water. Straight on the fucking pan. Okay, motherfuckers. We'll be back. Don't you worry. Fuck. Now we're back, bitch. Yeah. 4 minutes later, this shit is sizzling to full capacity. Yeah, bitch. You're gonna fucking love it. Oh, I bet you were wishing you were back in that fucking cool motherfucking river or sea or lake, wherever the fuck you come from. Fuck you. Okay. So, this bitch is looking like it's ready to fucking flip. Because the timer's telling me it's time to fucking flip you. Bitch. Oh, I love the way you're sizzling now. Fuck. Okay, come on. Come on, timer. Let's do it. Right. About 10 seconds. Yeah, alright, we're good. We're good. Yeah. We gotta get under the fucking fish. See how much? Oh, shit. Didn't sizzle on that side as much as I wanted it. But that's okay. We're gonna get it nice and sizzled. Motherfucker. Oh, look at that shit. That looks pretty fucking sizzled on that side. Alright, bitch. We're gonna cut away and we're gonna make sure it's nice, browned, sizzled meats. Yeah! Fucking fishy fucks. Alright, bitches. As you can see, shit's getting kind of fucking flaky. I'm gonna do the final step. Sizzle that butter meats. Alright, we're gonna melt some fucking butter. And we got this fucking garlic press. Press you through the fucking metal. Yeah. Alright, let's scrape you off with my fucking metal knife. Fuck yeah. Oh yeah, bitch. You're gonna love the fucking sizzling and all this garlic butter, bitch. Fuck you. Oh my god, this shit is almost done. Motherfucks. Motherfucks. Oh my god, look at that fucking butter. Holy shit, bitch. Oh my god. Come on, bitch, melt. Told you to get on that fucking grill and melt. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Just drizzle this fucking garlic butter all over this fucking shit. Yeah, bitch. You're gonna fucking love simmering and sizzling in that fucking butter. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Oh, fuck yeah, bitch. Roll around in that shit. Yeah. Alright. This shit's probably just about ready. We can take this shit off. Alright. Let's go ahead and stop the timer here. So I think we're good to go. Okay, bitch. We're gonna fucking take you off that sizzle. Yeah, bitch. We're gonna put this plate right there so it heats up. Oh my god. Oh, let's get this shit shit off the fucking bottom of the fucking pan. Fuck you. See how the final sizzle looks. Oh no! The fucking breading came off! Fuck! That's okay. Cause this meat is fucking sizzled. Oh my god, it looks so flaky. It's a fucking sizzled mess. Oh, we got something else for you too. Oh, fuck you. You'll fucking love this, bitch. Oh my god, let's get these fucking potatoes. You know that's what I always do. Fucking potatoes. You're gonna fucking love the final result. Alright, bitch. The fucking sizzled meat is complete. Unfortunately, the fucking breading fell off. But you never know when you try a new recipe. But we'll try to adjust it next time. Either way, still fucking meat. And it's still fucking sizzled. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god, this bitch is fucking flaky, fucking moist, and most of all, sizzled. Oh, let's take another bite. Look at that shit. Look at how that shit just fucking flakes away. Oh my god, bitch. Let's take another fucking bite. Oh my god, the lemon pepper on that breading. Oh my god, just makes it come alive. Even though it's fucking dead. Okay, bitch. So let's try lovely fucking baked potatoes in the oven. Bitch. So even though the presentation isn't up to par, it's still delicious. Delicious and sizzled MEATS. Joy to the world, all the boys and girls. Joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea. Joy to you and me.